Welcome back to the Antique Clock Shop. Okay, I got the bellows all made up and ready to install. I had to make some new lever rods here, lifting rods. So let's see if everything works like it should. Get that one in. The second one over here. Got a little nail over there you line it up on, and then the screw will right in the hole. The side screw here. All right, let's see. There we go, that looks good. Tighten this one up. All right, let's get our little lifting rods in there. This could get a little tricky. Okay, got it started. That's good. See if I can get that to push down on that. There we go. I just gotta get the other one in there. Boy, that one doesn't want to go. The pendulum wire keeps getting in my way here. If I can get it with a pair of pliers, maybe. It's hard to see. All right, let's see if I can bend that out a little bit more to make it easier. I know it fits in there because I had to put everything together to figure out how much I need to make how much I had to cut the paper. So I get everything in there and measure it. And so I've had them in there already. It's one of those things you start doing it on camera and all of a sudden you have difficulties, but we'll get it. trying to push that down so it doesn't fall back off. Okay, hopefully everything's going to work like it should. We'll find out here in a second. It's a little tricky to get this to work. Oh, make sure I move that open. Bird comes out there, but take that little lock off. Pull a little, put a little pressure on the chain so the cuckoo will come out. Something's holding them up. Let's see. I guess I gotta bend that the other way. Well, it looks like I gotta make this rod longer. So that's what we gotta do. All right, well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna have to work on this off camera to get it working right and show you what I did to fix it. It looks like this rod here is gonna have to go down longer, so I'm gonna have to make a new rod. So this is down lower so it catches over here and lifts the bellows like it should. So we'll get it going. I just gotta mess around with it and tweak it, and we'll get it fixed, and then we'll get it over to the test stand, and we got to pick out some weights and figure out what kind of weights are going to be needed to drive this particular clock, because I'm not sure of the weights that came with it, if they're going to work or not, but we'll find out. So that's it for this video. I'll get to working on that lift wire there and see if I can get it corrected, and then I'll show you what I did in the next video. Thank you for watching.